Ticket sales.
Ticket sales!
So we just ended work about a couple hours ago, and we're kind of excited for this weekend because we're going to see the Demolition Derby that I have never seen before, and she has never seen it before. But we couldn't find ways to buy the tickets online, so ticket sales. Let's go! I have no idea what a Demolition Derby is, but Ren, who's the supervisor at the pack house, says that it's like cars flying, cars racing around. No idea what it is, but I hope it's nice, and I think it'll be nice. But she said that don't sit in the front row because it's terrible, and you might get like mud all over you after that. We don't want that. I will see you later. So we are in the stadium, and apparently a Demolition Derby is where cars drive into each other as a race until there's only one of them left. And the cars are in! Right down here. Oh my god, it's so exciting, so exciting! It's so crazy, it's car hitting each other, it's everywhere.
It's awesome!
So many cars that are broken. That's a very old Mercedes. So sad. Oh my god, all the beautiful cars. That's the end of the derby. It was so weird for me because all the nice cars are getting hit on. So sad. Do you like it? Yeah, she got spilled, like, no, she didn't got spilled on. Someone dropped the bag and her beer fell onto her leg. Sticky. But oh well. So we are gonna head to our campsite. And if you haven't subscribed to us, please do.
Subscribe! Do subscribe! Follow us! Hit the notification button!
Yeah. And we'll see you next time.